How to stop playing music video in your iPhone at your own time. It's interesting to know about the iPhone trick I guarantee you did not know about. You can stop music videos at your time. For example, if you are listening music at midnight, you need to stop these songs after 2 hours. It will stop what time you are set on your iPhone. Click on clock application and click on timer and select what time you want to stop your music videos. Click on 1 hour and click on when timer ends. Then select stop playing, click on set and click on start. After 1 hour and 1 minute, it will automatically stops whatever you are listening music or videos. These simple tricks will help you to stop playing music at midnight. Thank you for watching this video. This much for today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Give thumbs up if you like this video.